bekliyoruz. From Kyrgyzstan, Meryem Zulatarova. General Victor Sena, from the national anthem of Kyrgyzstan. From Kyrgyzstan, Arshol Mahmoudov. And now we please everyone to stand up for the national anthem of Kyrgyzstan. Thank you.